might break off. You know, like what they call them?
Yeah, avalanche. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the fog now is over the Weiser Island, but I'm still hoping for some clear sky later on. It's interesting. You almost kind of see the fog and the clouds on top of the water, flowing somehow on the water. It's just crazy how beautiful this thing is. And there is the edge of the cliff that I'm on. It's interesting because from this spot in particular, you can see all around, and there is nothing to block your view, basically. So probably it's the best spot that I could have, found it around here. And there is the mountain again. Those are the cliffs.
Okay. I'm back here. I don't want you out there too long.
Okay.
We don't know what's down there. We might be hanging over the edge right here.
That's true.
Remember, there was a guy that just went down?
True?
Yeah, just here about 2 weeks ago. He was on Mount St. Helen.
Oh, yeah.
Did you hear about that guy?
No, I did not.
Okay. He's a expert mountain climber.